Okay. Today I'm going to the canyons. Well, Angeles Crest, but I haven't really gone to the canyons in a cool minute. I was gonna be cruising. I want to power through just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna be going like fucking 60 miles an hour over or 80. I'm not trying to wild out today. Oh my god, that sun. You can hear my blow off valve, fuck it. Hopefully no one hits the freeway so I can do a little pull. My car's slow, so don't expect much. It's fun driving a slow car sometimes. Okay, something weird just happened with my car. Like, the steering is locked. What the fuck? What just happened? That is so weird. This shows a battery sign too. What the fuck? This is so weird. I don't know what just happened. I'm gonna pull over up here, I guess. I don't know. I can't even like... That's so weird. I honestly don't know. Maybe my axle fucked up? I have no idea. Maybe try turning my car off and on, maybe? What the fuck? Why is it like this? Is there anything leaking? Not that I can see. Can I try turning my car back on, maybe? That's so weird, my power steering. Oh, well, maybe if I pop the hood? Fuck. Ooh, it's smoking. What the fuck? I don't know. What the fuck? I found the problem, and my alternator belt ripped in 2 pieces. Amazing. Well, at least I wasn't in the canyons when this happened, or else I would have been fucked. But yeah, I guess I shouldn't have done that pull. Nothing too bad. I'm just gonna... I already called AAA, got a flatbed tow truck because my shit's kind of low. I'm gonna go to AutoZone. Hopefully they have an alternator belt, which I'm pretty sure they do, and then fix it today so that I could just be driving, or at least have it fixed tomorrow. I mean, I have nothing to do today, so that's good. Tomorrow I have bowling, so I definitely need my car fixed, but alternator belt, it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, sucks. I gotta wait 45 minutes for a fucking tow truck. Well guys, it's been about 3 hours. I don't know if you could read it, but I had it at, oh yeah, my bad, I'm on a call. I ordered it at 4:19, and I called AAA like maybe about what, 1 hour ago at 6:30, saying, oh, my tow truck driver hasn't arrived, and it's been like over an hour. And so they're like, okay, well, let me put you on hold because there's no ETA, and now it says 7:15. So I don't know what's gonna happen, and I guess I'll give them until 7:15 and see what happens. Update, the tow truck has arrived. Okay, well I found these 3. Hopefully the 19 works because it's bigger, even though I know it might be a little too big. Let's see. Ah, too big. Okay. Oh, looks like it's like perfect. Let me see. Come on, fit. Please fit. No, it does not fit. Okay, so I found this one. It's a 5.8. Looks pretty big and small, so I want to say I'm pretty sure it'll fit, but I'm sure it'll fit. Oh, it works, but it's so fucking, it's small. I'm scared it's gonna snap. Just like that. Oh, perfect. All right. Make sure it doesn't slip out. And they said to line up the hole. Okay, push it over. With the power of YouTube, please turn on. Oh yes, my power steering's back. Okay, so I took off the pulley and I found out that this was a problem. I was spinning it while I was in the car and you can't really hear anything. So I didn't think it was a bearing, but I found out that it's all the teeth. Like you can see it's fucked up. I had hell insomnia, so I changed it at like 5 in the morning. And yeah, I picked it up. I think this was like $41 at a local auto parts store called E-Auto. Okay, so I'm doing the research on Google, and I guess some of them don't have teeth, but I guess the genuine part has teeth on it. But my belt is double-sided, like, you know what I mean? Like it has grooves on both sides, but does it matter? Because it feels pretty grippy. And then, I don't know, I just don't want it to slip off again. What the fuck? Okay, I got the tensioner in. I just zip tied this little thing because it's in the way. I need to get the pin out, put the belt in, and then I'll keep you guys updated. So I found out that this little knob that you like put the wrench on, it wasn't the same size as the OEM one, but definitely there is no slack at all. So yeah, my tensioner was definitely gone. Everything seems to be good in place. I'm about to start it up and see how it is, I guess. I need to delete that little reservoir. I think it's for the windshield wipers. I don't even really need it because I have the carbon head. That's already fucked up. So that's why I have these shitty ass head lashes, but I should have gotten the one where it's like a teardrop looking shape. But it seems like it's running fine. Yeah, the tensioner definitely has less play. Or the pulley, sorry. I don't know, the same thing. A little noise. Oh shit. What the fuck? That's what's heating up. This one right here, what is that? Oh, is that my AC? Okay, quick update. I took out my windshield wiper reservoir. It leaked everywhere. Excuse me. But yeah, so when I turn my AC on, you saw it in the video, I'll replay it or whatever, but that was like sparking up and it was hot. I know beforehand I put too much Freon like maybe about 2 years ago, and I didn't know I overdid it, and basically my AC fucked up. I changed my fan control module because my fans weren't working, and this is how I bought it. I bought it for $2K, and the guy told me like, oh, that's not working in the water pump. I already fixed the water pump, so that was like 2.5, 3 years ago. I forgot how long ago. Water pump's still fine. The fans don't work unless the AC's on, so that's what I've been doing this whole time. But the moment I put too much Freon, my AC fucked up. Now it's the AC pulley that's like heating up when my AC is on. So now I'm gonna make a manual switch for my fan, and I guess that's what I'm basically gonna do now. Just when I thought I was gonna be done, more things happen. I'm just happy that I got a new belt and I got a pulley, so that's at least out of my worries, and I cleared up a little bit of space. I don't know what to do with these wires. I don't know if I'm able to just like cut it or like do whatever. I'm not too sure. Someone can help me out in the comments if you do view this and you're familiar with Jettas or just anything with this, I guess. Yeah, so now I called my local auto shop again, and they said they'd give me a few minutes to see if I could, or if they could find a manual switch for me. If not, I'm just gonna go to Home Depot, get some wires and a switch. I guess just like route it from a ground, a fuse, and my fan control module, and hopefully that will work. At least I hope. Shit.